Wall mounting your pressure washer changes the game. Here's how to do it. I put up some 3/4 inch plywood for the walls, and then the water inlet's going to come from the bathroom on the left. Next up, we've got a few of these acoustic panels. What I'm hoping is these will work to try and absorb a little bit of the vibration from the pressure washer, as well as just looking quite nice. So I've mounted up a few of the panels here, and we'll do the left side of the wall as well. To mount the pressure washer itself, I've got this thick steel shelf. For attaching it to the wall, I'm going to use these M6 stainless steel fasteners, and then we're going to bury these wood certs into the plywood behind. So you can see there, I'm just screwing them through the acoustic panel and into that 3/4 inch plywood. The reason I prefer using these over something like a wood screw is that you can remove the shelf if you need to without chewing up the wood behind it, and they're also a lot stronger. We'll also be using a split washer and a stainless steel washer to try and help with the vibrations to stop the bolts from coming undone. You can see here, you just fire them in with an impact gun or a ratchet, and they hold really, really tight to the wall. So now we've got the shelf all mounted up, we've got to turn our attention to the pressure washer. Now, I've had this Kranzel K10 for years and it's been amazingly reliable, but this system will work with any pressure washer you want really. Just get a shelf and mount it up. Just finishing up the acoustic paneling on the other side here, just cut it around plug sockets and stuff, it's really easy to do. Now we can move on to the plumbing. So for this, I'm just using these push fit connectors. They're super easy to use. You don't have to have a soldering or a plumbing degree to be able to do it. You simply shove the 15mm pipe into there and it holds it securely. So we've got the water inlet coming in here. This will feed the water to the pressure washer above as well as the bucket filler. You'll need a couple of plumb fittings, like this is a stopcock, which means you can turn the water on and off. A stainless steel flexi line, which will feed into the pressure washer inlet. And one of these little T-pieces if you're going to run a bucket filler. So here's all the water run in. I also used a couple of compression fittings for the stainless steel lines. Here's just a on-off tap for the bucket filler, just a little bit of liquid PTFE on the back of it to stop it from leaking. Now the tap mount is slightly different spacing to how the pipes are, so I've just got a little bit of solid walnut here, and we'll make a little mounting bracket for it there, and then just screw it on. So that's it for part one. We've got water going to the pressure washer. Next up, we're going to be mounting a hose reel as well as a few other wall mounted accessories. So follow along for part two.